Hi guys, it's Jade the PR. I'm back with another video, and today I'm just going to show you how to make a single crochet base chain. It's the base to all of my projects. I love this chain. It's very simple to make and it helps you to go up one. So as always, we're gonna start our slip knot, twisting the yarn and pulling the tail end through. I'm gonna put our hook through. Today I'm using 4.25 millimeter. I'm gonna tighten my loop a little bit, not too much, and I'm gonna start with 2 chains. Wrap it around 1, pull it through, wrap it around 2, pull it through, and I'm going to work into the first chain that I made where my thumb is. I'm gonna go into the very top stitch, the very top of the stitch, and bring it a little closer so you can see that one right there. You see the 2 at the bottom. I'm going to go into the one at the top, put it through 1 time, wrap it around, pull it through just that one, and then I'm going to wrap it around and pull it through both loops. That's the easy part. Now it gets a little bit harder to read. You're going to go into the chain at the top again, pull it through 1, and then pull it through 2. I'm going to do it a couple more times so that you can see I'm going straight into the chain that I just made. Pull it through 1 time and then pull it through 2 times. And this is how it should start to look. You should see clear holes like this on the top and the bottom, really. Just keep going until you get the length that you need. And to end it, you're just going to simply chain 1, and you can flip it and do it this direction, or you can do it that way. I'm going to do it in the other direction because you can see the holes better, but I'm going to need it for both sides because I'm planning on turning it sideways, so I'm going to need to stitch into both ends of the chain. So it's important to have holes on both sides if you're doing a project vertically to turn it to be horizontal, and I'll show a picture of an example of how I'm making this at the end of this video. I've learned that it doesn't really matter where you put your hook as long as it's through a chain like I'm pointing to here. I'm showing the holes where it would go. You can put it through both, or you can put it through one. I choose to put it through both because it'll have holes in it at the end of the project. But if you're doing a half double crochet, then it's not really going to matter. It's going to match more with your project. Just feel it out, feel out how you should do it, play with it a little bit and see the results. Right now I'm doing a single crochet through the whole thing, but my end project is a half double crochet, so you'll see what I mean by the project having holes in it. Now this is a project that I finished earlier today. This is the one that has half double crochet all through it, and you can see that it has a couple holes, but that is good. That is an advantage for me. I'm making a drawstring, so I needed to stretch. I wanted to be stretchy, and I needed to contour to the body. And that's pretty much it. It's really easy, right? If you like for me to put up a tutorial on how to make a drawstring for shorts, leave a comment below. And as always, thank you for watching.